Hey guys, welcome back to the Backyard Collector channel. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I decided I would make one on this new to me Zippo that I got. This is a Harley-Davidson, we call it the Harley-Davidson carbon fiber. So, you can read that. Alright, let's open it up. As you can see, it has a really nice texture on there. And you can feel that with your fingers, really. It really points out of there. It's nice. And then, very nice sides and back. Alright, let's see. Alright. 2021. Newer one. Very nice. Still got the sticker on it, obviously. And then, yeah, this is a very nice Zippo to put in the display case. It's going to look really nice. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you guys today. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.